getting very vocal, isn't she?
Yeah, she's talking to the ceiling fan.
Oh, what is that? It's going round and round. Really? What is that? What is it doing that for? It's going round and round. If you didn't give her words, you could say what you wanted to say. She probably dreams of ceiling fans.
Yeah. You tell that ceiling fan.
He had this one, was it a Disney calendar? A Disney calendar, I think it, had borders, and it had like this little princess, these princess things on it, and it had make your own mobile, you know, but it was kind of cheesy and, you know, just some glitter and glue and stuff, and I thought, oh, she's too young for that anyway, you know, but
Yeah.
we could probably make her one. She'd
Yeah.
probably like a pinwheel.
Yeah, I'd like to get her a mobile for her crib. But gotta find the right one.
Yeah.
It's gotta match.
Oh, it'd be interesting for her to look at. Too. It's gotta be as good as the ceiling fan to look at.
Yeah.
She get a little tape recorder.